Now we're going to start on our back, and thank you again for coming. We're going to ground the feet and go ahead and roll back. Now this time we're going to lift the hips up and chin to the chest. Now we're going to zip up through the abdominals. Feel the strength in your legs and press down into your feet. Let's take the right arm up and over the side of the head. So just the right hand. The back of the hand is resting to the floor. And now you're going to slowly articulate down through the spine. And then, good. Go ahead and rest and bring that right arm down. Take an inhale, tailbone down. Exhale, pelvic tilt. Inhale, lift your hips up, chin to the chest. Now let's send that left arm up and over the side of the face. Let it rest. Elbow can be soft. Exhale, see if we can articulate down through that spine. Keep your scoop and roll all the way down. Rest your hips and your tailbone and drop that arm down. Now let's do it again. Deep inhale. Exhale, scooping. Lift hips up, chin to the chest. Float that right arm back. Take a big deep inhale. Exhale, slowly roll down through the spine. Once you rest the tailbone down, let that right arm come down. Good. One more time on the left. Deep inhale. Tailbone is down. Exhale, pelvic tilt. Press down into the feet. Lift your hips up. Reach that left arm up and over. Take a nice deep breath here. Exhale, roll it down. And then go ahead and release your left hand. Now let's do both arms up. So just, line up the knees, hips. Just kind of readjust if you need to. Take an inhale. Exhale. Lift the hips up. Chin to the chest. Float those arms up and over. Both of the arms up and over. Take an inhale. Elbows can be soft. Exhale, slowly roll down through the spine. See if you have some tight spots. And then as you release your tailbone, let the hands release to the floor. Again, deep inhale. Exhale, pelvic tilt. Lift the hips up, chin to the chest. Float the arms up and over, resting the hands behind the head. As you exhale, keep the belly firm as you roll through the shoulder blades, the back of the rib cage, mid-back, and as you roll through the sacrum, let the arms release down to the floor. Good. Let's hug one knee at a time into your chest. Knees can be a little bit wide, and go ahead and just kind of roll side to side. Just kind of massage through that low back, and the legs can be a little, floppy. You don't need to have a lot of holding here. We really just want to massage that low back. And if you like the knees together, you can hug the knees together and roll side to side. Rock over to the side and let's push up. And we're going to come here to a half roll back, but we're going to do a different half roll back today. We're going to, in fact, too, if some of you want, go ahead and sit on a blanket if sitting with your legs straight. So I'm going to do that because it's just a little easier on my back. Let's do the right leg first. So bring the right knee in towards your chest, foot is down, and interlock your fingers around the shin. I want you to lengthen up. See, so it's a little easier to keep my back straight, but it will depend on you. And we're going to do a half roll back, but it's almost like a cat-cow feel more than it is core, but I still want you to focus on what the abdominals are doing. So take an inhale, lengthen. Exhale, scoop, and roll back. And so roll back enough that you feel like maybe that foot's going to come up a little bit. Open up through the shoulder blades, and then inhale, lift up through the chest, really tall. Shoulders relaxed. Take an inhale. Keep that left foot flex. Exhale, scoop, pull the belly in, tuck the chin in, round through the back. Keep holding onto that chin. Pull that navel in. Open up the shoulder blades. Take an inhale. Exhale, and roll all the way up and sit up tall. Good job. Take an inhale. Exhale, scoop. Pull the belly in, roll back, roll back. Let the arms be straight if you can. And then open up the shoulder blades. Take an inhale. Exhale, scooping. And come all the way up tall. Good. Slide that foot back. So what we're doing with the core is really important. So stay focused on that. Take the opposite heel in and really ground that left foot now into the floor. I'm going to go ahead and flex my right. Interlock your fingers on that shin and then lift up through your chest, shoulders away from your ears. Take an inhale. Exhale, scoop, pull the belly in. Go to where you feel comfortable, right? I don't want you to roll too far back, but open up the shoulder blades, keep the belly strong. Take an inhale, exhale, press down into that foot, and then roll all the way up. Sit up tall. Very good. Take an inhale. Exhale. Gauge into that core. Roll back. Chin is tucked in. Take an inhale. Exhale. And keep scooping. Roll all the way up. And one more time. Take an inhale. Exhale. Navel to spine. Rolling back as far as you feel comfortable. Good. Take a deep inhale. Abs are still strong. Exhale. Pull the belly in as you come up slowly. And now lift up through that chest. Very good. So now coming into face the camera, or come into staff pose. Whew. All right. And staff pose, again, you can set the blanket underneath your hips. And we'll do the little bit of a twist. So take the arms out. And we'll rotate the palms up. Release the shoulders down. Sit tall. Take an inhale as you exhale. Twist to the right, pulse for 3, 2, 1, and to the center. Twist to the other side. 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Twist. 3, 2, 1. To the center. Stay tall. Twist. 3, 2, 1. To the center. 4 more. Twist. 3, 2, 1. And to the center. Twist for 3, 2, 1. To the center. 2 more times. Twist. 3, 2, 1. And to the center. Twist for 3, 2, 1. And back to center. Perfect. And now we're going to go ahead and lay on our back. So go ahead and grab the back of your legs. Let's roll down. And just tuck those shoulder blades underneath. We're going to hug the knees back into our chest. Bring your hands on your knees. And let's just do this really nice circling of the leg. It really is good for your hips, the SI joints. So your hands are on the knees. You push your knees away. You open the knees, circle them around and hug together. So knees push away, open, and together. And then you can kind of get a little natural flow here, right? You're going to roll from your tailbone, knees come in, you hug into the mid-back. And breathe. And we'll just do a couple more. Giving that back a little love. And then we reverse. Your knees are hugged in. We're going to open the knees wide, push them away, and back together. Good. Just 2 more circles. Very good. Now we're going to do our single leg stretch. So bring one knee into the chest, hug that knee in, and then take the opposite knee in. Now we're going to take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, lift the head and chest up. All right, and then you're going to send that right leg out, hold the left knee in, and now let's switch. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. One more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Beautiful. Rest. Go ahead and gently rock side to side, hip to hip, roll through the low back. And now we're going to roll all the way up. We're going to come to the other side. All right, you can be on that elbow, or you can prop the head up. I'm just trying to decide. I've got a mic here. I don't want to squish, so I think I'm going to come up. All right, so legs are in 90. You're going to extend this top leg out, and it's going to come up to the knee and extend out. Good. Press and squeeze into the knee. Extend it out. Good. In and press out. Good. Draw it in and press it out. Good. Just a couple more. Knee in and press out. Knee in and now press out. Now bring the knee back up and then you swing the leg back. So it's like that kick, right? So we're opening the hip. So bring the knee up and then kick it back. We don't want to arch the back. So try to keep the back in that neutral position. Kick it in, swing it back. Good, just 3 more. Knee in, kick it back. Knee in, kick back. And one more time, knee in and back. Good, this time let's go ahead, lay on your side. We'll do our book opening. So both arms reaching out. You're going to inhale and open the chest. And this is really about the shoulders, right? Getting those shoulder blades down. Exhale and close. So inhale, open. Exhale and close. Inhale and open. Exhale and close. 2 more times. Inhale and open. Exhale, close. And this time now we're just going to hold. You're going to hold and drop those shoulders down. Take 3 full breaths. And we'll take one more big deep breath. Now you're going to draw that arm forward. Let's push up. We'll do the last. This is the last of this leg series. You guys are doing great. So this leg goes out. We'll only do a few reps. So you're going to lift the leg up, down, squeeze it into your elbow and back out. So up, down, squeeze in and out. Good. Up, down, squeeze into the elbow and out. Just 3 more. Up, down, squeeze into the elbow and out. Last 2. Lift up, down, squeeze in and out. Lift up, down. Last one. Squeeze in and out. Good. Onto your back. Our last piece. Now we're going to roll to our side. And we're going to come back into a little bit of that side leg series. So here we are. We're going to keep both knees bent. So 90-degree angle. You can rest your head down or prop your head up. All right, so my hand is resting to the floor. I'm going to extend the leg out. So my elbow is just really kind of close towards the chest. And then I bring the knee in, squeeze in, so I'm touching my elbow. And then I kick the leg out. And then I bend the knee in. Good, kick the leg out. And bend the knee in, squeeze into that elbow, and then kick the leg out. Good, knee comes in. Good, kick the leg straight out. You're doing great. Here's 4, knee comes in, and then kick the leg out. Here's 3, press it into the elbow, kick the leg out. And here's 2, kick the leg out. And then one more, kick the knee in and extend the leg out. Now we're going to come back to that 90 degree. So 90 degree angle, knee up, swing back. Knee squeeze in, swing back. Now when you swing back, you're stretching through this hip flexor, right? So don't arch the back, knee in, kick back. Knee in, kick back. Knee in, kick back. Just a couple more times. Knee in and kick back. Knee in and kick back. Good. Now go ahead and stack both knees. And let's do a little bit of our book openings. So palms forward, hands together. Take an inhale and reach the arm back. Good. Exhale and close. Inhale to open. Exhale to close. Inhale and open. Exhale and close. And one more time. Inhale and open. Exhale and close. Now this time we're just going to hold it. So bring that arm back. Open the chest to the sky. And just soften the shoulders. Soften into the twist. You're going to come all the way back. Good. One more here for this leg. So you're going to, leg comes out. We're going to lift the leg up and down. Knee in towards your elbow, bring it up, extend it out. We'll just do a few of them. Lift the leg up and down, knee in, extend out. Lift the leg up, bring it down, knee in, extend it out. Good, lift up and down, knee in, extend out. Just one more time. Lift up and down, knee in, extend it out. Good. Drop that knee. Let's go to our back. Yes. And roll over to your side and use your hands to push up. We're going to stay seated. So come into a seated position. Easy cross-legged position. Good. And let's go ahead and bring our hands to the heart. And just take a small bow of the chin. I want you to honor your practice today, your amazing work, and our amazing class, amazing students. So the light in me salutes that light and that divine in you. And together we say, Namaste.